Good morning, welcome back. My today's questions are related to the topic Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. As you know, it is very important topic for all the competitive exams. Go through video twicely and third time just check how many answers you remember. So this is very helpful for you if you do this process. Now let's start. When and where was Shivaji born? Answer: Shivaji was born on 20th April 1627 in Shivneri Fort in Pune district. Write the names of his parents. Answer: Father Shahaji Bhosle, mother's name Jijabai. Who was Samant of Bijapur? Answer: Shahaji. What was the name of Shahaji's second wife? Answer: Tukabai Mohite. Who was the local guardian of Shivaji? Answer: Dadoji Kondev and Swami Ramdas. At what age Shivaji got the state of Pune from his father? Answer: at the age of 12. On which fort did he take possession at first? Answer: at first in 1646 CE he took possession of the Toran fort near Pune. From whom did Shivaji take Raigad? In 1646 CE he took Raigad from the Sultan of Bijapur. In addition to Raigad, which forts were taken by Shivaji from Sultan of Bijapur? Answer: Chakan, Baramati, Indrapur, Singhgad and Purandar Fort. Which forts authorized by Shivaji in Konkan? In 1656, Kalyan and Javali forts. Where Shivaji built his capital? Answer: in Raigad in 1656 CE. To whom Sultan of Bijapur sent to repress Shivaji? Answer: Afzal Khan. Shivaji strapped Afzal Khan's stomach with the help of dash. Answer: Wagnak. To whom Aurangzeb appointed to eliminate Shivaji? Answer: Deccan's Mughal Viceroy Shaista Khan. In which year Shivaji looted Surat? Answer: in 1664 CE. Name two ministers sent by Aurangzeb. Answer: Mirza Jai Singh and Diler Khan. Who occupied several forts of Shivaji? Answer: Mughal army. Between whom did the Treaty of Purandar sign? Answer: in 1665, the Treaty of Purandar signed between Shivaji and Jai Singh. According to Treaty of Purandar, how many forts were surrendered by Shivaji? Shivaji surrendered 23 out of his 35 forts to the Mughals. Who was appointed as Panch Hazari Mughal Mansabdar? Shivaji's elder son Sambhaji. Where was Shivaji enthroned? Answer: in Raigad Fort. When did Shivaji attain the title of Chhatrapati? Answer: in 1674 CE in Raigad Fort. When did he die? Answer: he died in 1680 CE. In which year Shivaji looted Surat for second time? Answer: in 1670 CE. Thank you so much.